Good morning, this is Bob Bachner with Pennystocking 100 to 1000. Welcome back to the series where we take a fresh account on Webull, starting with just $100, and show you the journey it takes to grow that $100 into $1,000 over time. And we're back. Today is July 10th, 2019. Markets are green. And I started to not actually make a trade today because there wasn't really much going on. But lo and behold, the run up on news on the low float. So VISL was the play of the day. We got in the pre-market. If you can find it, 1 second. So right here, VISL had a huge move. I actually caught the news on the news website Globe Newswire. I caught it maybe 5 minutes after it got released, but I was a little hesitant to get in for some reason. I wanted to see some strength. So you can see we got in here at 8.32 in the pre-market at $4.70 a share, and we got out, roughly a half hour later at $6.30 a share. So, and we left a little money on the table, but that's fine. So let's check out the charting. Okay, so where we got in around here. Yeah, on this tick. So huge green coming in, back to back. Like I said, I seen this around here. I saw the news around here. And even though this is a low float, just about $1.5 million in the float. For some reason, I just did not trust it all that much. So I kind of hesitated. I want to see some huge strength, and yes, it did. Kind of, you can see here, this support around the 250s. This is like a good load up zone. I saw this, but then I still just did not trust it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I trade too cautious as a trader, but that's fine because it's going to take you a lot further than being a gunslinger. So I'd rather just be a safe trader than a gunslinger at this point. So we waited to see some more strength. We saw some more strength. This huge tick here. On the 8:15 candle, and then right up here on this next candle, this is when we decided to get in. We started to see this huge green just coming in back to back to back. I knew this was a sign for takeoff. Like I said, the float is only about $1.5 million. It's pre-market, so I think this is another huge reason why this stock ran. The catalyst is not that great. I don't even see it on here. It was a contract winner for the government or for the military, something like that. $2.8 million contract. It's okay, but it's not like huge. It's not huge enough to keep this stock right around here in the $8 region. Apparently, as you can see, it gave back half of its gains. So, pop and dump really. But so the news wasn't that huge, but I think it was the fact that yes, it's low float, 1.5 million shares, and the fact that most of the movement happened pre-market. You can see the movement on the open. It didn't really do that much compared to what it did in the pre-market. Going from roughly 150s to the 7s. So that was the move there. Pre-market, obviously, you cannot halt stocks in the pre-market or after hours. So that is a huge reason this ran as well. And I should have saw that coming. So like I said, yes, I seen the stock here. I decided I had to get in. It was going to keep going up without me, and I was going to be in regret. So it came up here, and I saw this tick here on the 845 tick. It got to 635. That was nice. It came back down a little bit to about the low 5. And this tick here went up to 656. I could have locked it in. This was looking like signs in any ordinary play. This would have signs of topping out or profit taking, but again, this was a very low float in the market. So low volume or lower volume and low float. So it was able to push up higher. But like I said, originally the 650s would have been a great sign of profit taking. As you can see, the wicks coming right back, extending up and coming right back down. So, and in ordinary conditions, that would have been a great move, a great play by me to take my profits there, which I took my profits at 630 as it was coming back down roughly at the time. Of course, it went up to the 7s after, a few minutes later after the Robinhooders came in. So if I waited a little bit longer, I could have got out in the 7s. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's fine. I made about 33% in gains on this one, so I'm happy with that one. Um, so, and as you can see now, it's back to the mid threes in the after hours. So, I hope people did not chase this. Once this thing broke, it consolidated pretty well here in the sixes for most of the day. But after it broke this huge drop here with the red candle, it was dead. So I hope you did not chase this. But if you were in early enough, this was an easy play to make money on. And we'll have another day trade coming today on Thursday. We'll see what happens. We may or may not make a trade. We're already doing pretty well for the week, up 30%. We're on a winning streak right now. I don't want to jinx myself, but we're on a winning streak right now. I think this is like win number 6 in a row. So let's see if we can keep that going. But until next time, we just encourage you all to stay motivated, stay inspired, study hard, and penny stocks will reward you. Thank you.